Meaning of idealize.
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 Idealize. The term idealize means to represent someone or something in an ideal form or state, often exaggerating positive qualities and ignoring negative ones. Idealization can lead to a distorted perception of reality, creating unrealistic expectations and disappointment when the true nature of the person or thing is revealed. It can also create a sense of superiority and detachment from others. While idealizing may provide a momentary escape from the complexities of life, allowing us to focus on positive aspects, it can ultimately prevent us from fully engaging with reality and hinder personal growth.